Hey everyone! Hey! Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Shateira. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install passion twists. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment down below, and let's get into the video. So I got this hair off of Amazon. It is in the color T27. So for this hairstyle, I use 3 strands of hair for each section. I used 2 of the ombre and then 1 of the black. And the black hair, I just had some left over from a previous hairstyle. So I began separating the hair. So I just repeated the step for all the 4 sections of hair that I had to do. After you're done, this is what the hair should look like. So my sister and I parted my hair yesterday. So overnight I had my rubber band sitting in some olive oil so it wouldn't cause tension on my hair. I put some oil on my fingers to loosen up the rubber bands. They weren't tight, but I just wanted to make room so the hair could fit through it. I took my crochet hook and I put it in the square or section horizontally. And then I took my extension, twisted it at the end, and then I put it in the crochet hook, closed the latch, and then I held my natural hair to pull the extension through. After I pulled the extension hair through the section, I made sure it was straight. And then I took my natural hair and I tightened it. Not so tight, like your head screaming. And then I put some pomade at the ends of my natural hair, and then I took the extension and my hair and twisted it into each other. Once I was done with one side, I did a twist on the side I just did and then twisted it the opposite direction for the other one. So while I was twisting my natural hair and the extension hair together, I put my hair in between the extension so it can blend. So once I got to the end of my natural hair, I just added a little bit of Eco Styler gel. And I finished twisting the rest of the way down. And then I just repeated the process over again for the rest of the sections. I got some oil and put it on the rubber band in my hair to loosen it. Get the crochet hook, put it in between the section, twist the end of the extension, put it on the crochet hook, close the latch, hold my natural hair, and then pull the extension hair through. Straighten the hair, tighten the section, apply pomade to the ends. Twist. Here I'm showing you what I meant by taking my natural hair and putting it in between the extension. And then just finishing the twist all the way down. And this is what my hair looked like when I was finished. This hairstyle took me about 6 hours, and that was with procrastination. And this is how long they are. You can keep this hairstyle straight if you want, but I'm going to use some flexi rods and some boiling hot water to curl the ends. Alright, so this is what I'm looking like. I just finished dipping these in hot water, and Kendra helped me. So I'm just going to actually leave them like this so they can set a little bit more. I don't want to uncurl them and mess with it. I don't know. It just feels better for my conscience if I just let them dry like this, then separate them. But I'm liking the curls. I'm really liking it. I'm gonna go continue watching my TV show. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, whenever you watch this video. Anywho, bye. Hey everyone, so it's the next day. So I unraveled the curls and now I am adding some hair accessories. Alright, and this is the final result on how I install my passion twist. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!